How to connect Bitget wallet to Yescoin. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Telegram on your device and sign into your account. Now go ahead and search for Yescoin and click on the play for airdrop. This will allow you to start playing Yescoin on your Telegram app. So once you click on this, you'll get redirected into this page. You get redirected to your homepage on Yescoin. Now in here, just go ahead and click on the next button to proceed on the next page. Click on next again and click on next to skip this page. Now go ahead and click on the earn button. So as you can see in here, these are the massive earning tasks. Click on the earn button and you'll be able to find that daily task section, and the special task section. Head over to the task section to be able to find the connect wallet task at the bottom of this task page. So go ahead and scroll down to the bottom of the task page to be able to find the connect wallet button. Click on connect wallet and go ahead and click on ton connect. Now in here, go ahead and click on view all available wallets and you'll be able to find Bitget wallet. So click on Bitget wallet. Once you click on Bitget wallet, you'll get redirected to the Bitget application on your device. Now on the app, go ahead and click on the approve button. This will allow you to connect your Yescoin to your Bitget wallet.